Welcome to Maths is Easy. So today's chapter, which we are going to solve, is compound interest of class 8. Let us do 9.1. Hashtag 1 is the name of the video or serial number of the video. So for the compound interest, the basic one has to be clear about how to derive out the simple interest from the very simple, of course, formula that is of simple interest. So if you know the formula simple interest and how to apply it, you can easily solve the questions related to compound interest. So compound interest is nothing, just be considerate about the calculations you are doing. And if you guys want to see the solution of this publishing house earlier chapters, you can go by the description of this video where all the links are available. Moreover, I have solved many chapters of mathematics success of class 8. So you can watch those chapters through the description box. So here, not to waste further time, let's check it out how to solve compound interest. So first part is 8 tick mark. We have to here tick mark the correct answer. So first is compound interest is what? Always greater than the simple interest, always less than the simple interest, always equal to the simple interest, and always greater or equal to the simple interest. So here answer would be always greater or equal to the simple interest. So this is the chapter for the second term. So please be considerate while understanding the chapter. In case of compound interest, the amount for the first year becomes interest for the second year. The amount for the first year becomes principal for the second year. Principal for the second year becomes interest for the third year. None of these. So for question number 2, B is the correct option. So here we tick mark the B part, which is the correct option. Let's move further. If facing any type of doubt in understanding the things, please do comment by commenting on the comment box. The compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 4% per annum for 2 years compounded annually is. So we have to here what? Solve the question first. So how we can solve it? Sabse pehle we have to write what? We have to write principal for the first year. So we will be writing principal for the first year would become what? Rupees 5,000, which is given to us, rupees 5,000, and rate of interest is given to us as 4% per annum. So here principal would be rupees 5,000, rate of interest would be 4% per annum. So interest we will be finding out. Interest here we have to apply the what? Can anyone guess? We have to apply the formula for simple interest, that is principal into rate into time upon 100, 5,000. So we will write. So cancel it. Answer would be like what? Rupees 200. So here interest for the year first or interest for the first year is rupees 200. So we will now find out the amount. So therefore amount at the end of the first year, the amount would be what? Amount plus 200, that is rupees. So here next further what we will do? We will find out interest for the second year. So interest for the second year would become what? Second year. So 5,200 into rate of interest would by 100. Cancel it. So it will become what? Rupees 208. So here in our next question, amount at the end of second year, amount at the would become what? Rupees 5,200 plus 5,408, of course. So in our next step, we will be writing what? Compound interest. Therefore, compound interest at the end of compound interest at the end of second year. How we will find out? We will find out by subtracting 5,408. So for the third part, the correct option is C option. That is rupees 408. Correct option is C option. That is rupees 408. Hope the question is clear. You have to be just considerate about the calculations you are doing, nothing else. See this again. Now come to the fourth question. In case of compound interest, the principal increases every year, decreases every year, remains constant throughout the loan period, increases for first year and then decreases. Answer would be what? Increases every year. Of course, for compound interest, the principal increases every year. So the correct relationship for the fifth question, amount plus compound interest is equal to principal. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, of course. B part is the correct one. Compounded minus principal is equal to amount, and none of these. So answer would be B. B would be the correct answer. So it was all about the compound interest. Let us do 9.1. In my next video, I'll be solving B part of the let us do 9.1. If you guys like my videos, if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Description जरूर check कर लेना, वहाँ सारे links available हैं. And do check those videos out. Some of the videos are of first term for the revision purpose, and all the videos I am uploading right these days are of second term, which will be very, very useful for you. Thank you so much.